to July. Can you believe it's a new month? So the date today is 01-07-2020. So July is the 7th month of the year. And we are going to continue with mass and measuring mass, and this is part 3 for this week. And you've all been doing such a fantastic job. So what you need for today is your whiteboard and your marker, your blue maths books, and a sharp pencil. So let's get going. Right, today's challenge, as always, we have another story sum. Remember your 3 parts. Do it on your whiteboard, show your teacher if you're at school, or send a picture to your teachers if you're at home. And our story sum says, Miss Pettit is doing a craft activity for the grade 2s. She has 89 centimeters of blue ribbon and 27 centimeters of pink ribbon. How much ribbon does she have altogether? So remember, step 1, write your sum but don't answer it. Step 2, work your sum out in soldier method. Step 3, write your answer in a word sentence. And remember, boys and girls, we are using centimeters. So you have to, in your answer, show me it's centimeters. So remember, find your special words. Is it a plus sum or is it a minus sum? And then work it out. Okay. So you can pause the video and you can work it out and then send us a picture. Right, so recap. Just what we've been doing all week. Mass is telling us how heavy or light something is, how much an object weighs. The unit we measure mass in is grams for small objects and kilograms for big objects. The tool we use to measure mass is a scale. And do you remember the 3 types of scales we get? A balancing scale, where the heavy object goes down and the light object goes up. A kitchen scale that can show grams or kilograms, and we have bathroom scales. Okay, is it heavy or is it light? Again, we have our brick and we have our feather. There's our balancing scale. Which one is going to push the scale down? The brick, and the feather will go up. So the words we need to understand is the brick is heavy, so the scale is going down. The feather is lighter than the brick. That's why it is going up. Grams or kilograms? I've got some pictures here. And you are going to tell me if it goes to the gram side or the kilogram side. Let's start with the car. The car is a very big object, so it's going to go to kilograms. The pencil is a small object, so it's going to go to the grams side. A child is a big object, and they will go to the kilogram side. One apple on its own is quite light, so it will go to the grams side. Okay, just so that you get used to the idea of heavy and big objects are in kilograms and small and light objects are in grams. So let's look at our work for today. There is your worksheet on page 33 in your blue maths book. Only do question 1, 2, and 3, boys and girls. Leave question 4. We are going to do that tomorrow. So for today, it's just question 1, 2, and 3. Very easy peasy. You're going to write the date for me, which is 1-7-2020, and then you're going to complete that neatly. On top of doing those 2 questions, please complete the next page in your bonds book. No helping from your parents or your teachers, please, boys and girls. This must be done mentally, so no number lines or number charts or blocks. And please remember to time yourself. Okay, bonds books are meant to make you work quickly. So have a super day, not too much for today. And I will then see you tomorrow for another lesson with measuring maths in